Hi, today I'm going to show you how to program a simplicity motor with PowerWand. Just before we get into programming, I just want to let you know a few things before we get started. If you're going to reset the limit in a simplicity motor with PowerWand, you're going to have to reset the motor. To reset the motor, you're going to push the reset button on the back of the wand and hold it for about 8 to 10 seconds. The motor will do a series of beeps. Once a series of beeps is finished, the motor is completely cleaned and ready to be reprogrammed. So we're going to try that in this shade. So we're going to push the reset button on the back and hold it and wait for the motor to beep. Once the motor beep, that cleans all the memory that was sitting in the motor. So this motor is clean and ready to be programmed. So we have the up, stop, and the down button on the front of the wand. The reset button is on the back of the wand, and the charging port is on the side of the wand. So this motor is clean and ready to be programmed. So I hit down, the shade will start going down. Again, before the shade gets to the very bottom of the window, we're going to stop it. We're going to use this as the bottom of the window. So we stop the shade and then use the down button on the wand to adjust it to the correct length. That's your correct length. We'll push the reset button on the back of the wand and hold it, and the motor will beep. Once the motor beep, that sets the lower limit. We'll hit up, the shade starts going up. Again, before the shade gets all the way to the top, we're going to use the stop button to stop it. And then we're going to use the up button to adjust the shade to the correct height. And that's your correct height. We'll push the reset button on the back and the motor will beep. Once the motor beep, that sets the upper limit. So this shade is completely programmed. Now I just want to let you know a few things, the function of the wand. If I push the wand and let it go, the motor will go into jog steps. The motor is designed with a 3 seconds jog step, and it's very good to have when you have Concept Duo, ShareLux, and Chat-O-Matic. The 3 second jog step would help you tilt the vanes, or it's going to help you align the bands when it comes to Concept Duo. If you have two blinds side by side, or you want to line up the bands for the proper lighting to come in the room. For the motor to fully engage, you're going to have to push the wand and hold it for 3 seconds to fully engage the motor for it to roll completely down or completely up.